What's going on, boys? Your boy Cookster's back. And another run, trail run. Came up with my boys over here. They brought me here. I've never been to this spot before. I'm gonna check it out. There's a trail system that side, trail system on this side. Let's get to it. We'll all do a pass right through here, quick times.
Quick pass?
Like fast. Turn the wheels.
Turn the wheel, bro. Turn the wheel.
Yeah, I think you gotta stand on that side of the machine because that side's touching. Yeah, you gotta do it like that. That side's touching. No. Yeah, it's bottomed out. Here. Whatever. Here. Don't worry. Just hook it up. So far, so good, this trail. I'm liking it. ran into some guys. They're on some renegades. Yeah, guys, I'm not a big fan of the mud. I'll go through it if I have to, but I'm not going to go hunt mud down. I like riding the trail system. I like more the fast pace. Mud is more slower. I find it's harder on the machine, the mud. Hey, practice makes perfect. I gotta go from there.
What's that?
I'm gonna go from there and come this way. Yeah?
That looks deep.
Watch these frogs, they're gonna get flung out of here. Let's see all the frogs in here.
Oh, they're everywhere. They're all the frogs.
Oh yeah, they're gonna get tossed out of here. I told you.
Oh, Dad, you just got $5.
That was
It's going over there on a sideways wheelie.
oh.
I said $5. You didn't make it through.
Oh yeah?
I didn't stop it.
You got Kadai gonna try the puddle now? $850 XMR 2023. Let's see what he has over here. It wasn't that bad. Look at the frogs flying out. The frogs are flying out of here. Took them out. It wasn't bad.
Not bad at all.
No, I know. We got Francesco gonna try on the Kodiak 450. Yeah, why do you stop on the gas? Yeah. See what I know? I noticed that you always let off. As soon as you hit the water, I always hear you let off the gas. Just give her and just start dancing with it.
I gotta get out, so. Let me try.
Let me try. Let me try. Let me try. Let me try. Let me try. Let me try. Let me try. Let me try. Let me try. Let me try. Let me try. Let me try. Let me try. Let me try. Let me try. Let me try. Let me try. Let me try. Let me try. Let me try. Let me try. Let me try. Let me try. Let me try. Let me try. Let me try. Let me try. Let me try. Let me try. Let me try. Let me try. Let me try. Let me try. Let me try. Let me try. Let me try. Let me try. Let me try. Let me try. Let me try. Let me try. Let me try. Let me try. Let me try. Let me try. Let me try. Let me try. Let me try. Let me try. Let me try. Let me try. Let me try. Let me try. Let me try. Let me try. Let me try. Let me try. Let me try. Let me try. Let me try. Let
Look, the frog is even looking at you. Look.
The frog's
So the
right
frog's
there.
like, what the already hydroplane.
But wow, you get dirty on that machine. Look at me, I'm soaked already.
Oh yeah.
That machine gets...
Is there any signs here? Is there an arrow pointing this way? Okay, so we'll just go, we'll go this way. That was deep. Oh, that was fucking deep. Oh, your father flipped over. What the fuck happened, bro?
no fucking idea, man.
You okay?
Yeah, I'm okay.
Holy f, bro, I just looked over and I just seen the four-wheeler upside down. What happened?
I don't know what happened, bro.
But did you go in the hump there? Everything okay, Steve? Honestly. Did it land on top of you?
No.
Dad, you okay?
Yeah.
Steve, man. Like,
I got that rut and it pulled the steering wheel.
oh man. Oh look, you went way over here.
Yeah.
Oh, you went up here. You went up the bank here and it rolled you.
Yeah.
Oh, Steve.
Go okay?
Yeah, perfectly fine.
happened to two.
Okay, we gotta flip this machine before the oil goes all the way to the top. Okay. I know it. One. Come on this side, Francesco. Okay, ready? Wait. 1, 2, 3. Okay. This one's gonna be hard now, okay? We're gonna have to 1, 2, 3. Because it's up a hill too.
Okay, ready?
Okay, wait. 1, 2, 3. Holy pig!
Oh shit, your front diff lock thing though.
Nah, it's just probably jammed with dirt.
I think a little piece broke off it. The handlebars are bent.
At the start?
You think so?
Yeah. The handlebars are bent.
Oh, we caught a rut. I was coming down here, caught the rut, it pushed me there, and that's it. Then I top-sided, and there was no way of coming down. That's probably from my snorkel.
The rod.
Snorkel kit. Oh shit, I feel dizzy.
Down or something.